Are you expecting a Tesla delivery by the end of this year? Are you looking to purchase a Tesla, but you're just not sure if you can afford one? Or you just watch Tesla videos because you're interested? Well, if one of those apply to you, you gotta watch this video. What's going on, YouTube? Welcome back to this channel. This video, we're going to do a breakdown of a step-by-step on how to take delivery of a Tesla. If you're interested on how our journey went with our Tesla delivery, check out our video. Link is in the description below. So if you're ready for this breakdown, go grab a snack, get a pencil and a paper. Here we go. Step number 1, go to Tesla.com and go create an account. All you need is your email address, so make sure you have instant access to it, because later on in the process, once you get closer to your delivery date, you'll be needing that. Once you're ready to pick out your car and actually purchase it, you'll be spending a total of $450. That money is pretty much the security deposit that's going towards the final purchase price. Once you finalize that, you'll get some email confirmations about your order, and that's it. Step number 2, whether you have an iPhone or an Android, go download the Tesla app. You'll be using the same credentials that you used when you went to the Tesla website. Step number 3, once you have the Tesla app, go and log in. You'll see a nice picture of your car. On the top left corner of the screen, you'll see some weird numbers, but those numbers represent your order number. And you will see an estimated delivery date, which as of now, it's from December of 2022 to March of 2023. Just patiently wait until your delivery months, because later on you will be checking it more often. Step number 4, you finally made it. Your delivery month is here. You'll want to check your Tesla app daily because your dates can change. Step 5 is when you get your VIN number. If you have a trade-in, take care of that now, because once your VIN is assigned, time goes by quickly. There's 2 options to trade in your vehicle. 1 is with Tesla, or 2 is with another dealership. So for example, in Texas, if you trade in your vehicle and purchase a new vehicle with the same transaction, the total price will be the car price minus whatever your trade-in is. So I highly recommend, if it's not worth it going to a local dealership to trade in your vehicle, just go with Tesla. Some good resources to check out is Guidebook. All you need to do is just enter your information of the car, and you also have to insert photos of how your car looks like. Then the Guidebook site will make calculations or whatever and determine how much your car is actually worth. So once that occurs, dealerships will automatically contact you. Just a quick note, if you're going to trade in your vehicle and you accept a trade-in with an outside dealership that's not Tesla, you might have to wait the next day to go pick up the check. And then once you get the check, you go to your bank and you deposit. But once you deposit, it will also take 1 to 2 business days. So just be careful if you go on a Friday. The business day will begin until Monday, and your funds can possibly be available until Tuesday. Step number 6. This is when you find out how much money you'll be getting for your trade-in. So there's pretty much 3 options to purchase your Tesla. 1 is the cash method, 2 is the lease method, and 3 is the loan method. With the cash method, you'll basically just be paying from your bank. So it's not necessarily physical hard cash, but it is just the money that you'll have in your bank account that you'll be able to transfer to Tesla to pay for your car. The lease option obviously is when you just want to rent the Tesla. Finally, the loan option. You can either go with Tesla directly, or you can go to your local bank or credit union to get a quote. Interest rates are up the roof right now because of inflation and everything that's going on around the world. So with us, the best interest rate that we got was with Tesla. I tried to contact many banks, but they didn't want to deal with people directly. They wanted to deal with dealerships instead. That limited many options for myself to pick from banks, and the banks that were available just had really high interest rates. At the end of the day, Tesla loan was the best interest rate for us. Step number 7. So now we took care of our trade-in, and we also took care of our loans or the cash that we're going to pay up front. Now we look into the car insurance. Getting insurance is at the end is because you need your VIN number and you need the bank that will be taking care of the loan. 2 options, Tesla insurance or your local insurance. It can either be Allstate, Geico, etc. With us, since we have a bundle, it was just more convenient to go with that bundle because that price was significantly less than what Tesla insurance was going to offer. They were offering about $300 a month. Meanwhile, with our local insurance, every 6 months it would be an increase of $200. So that was just a no-brainer for us. Step number 8 is to input all of your information within the Tesla app. You'll input information about your trade-in, your method of payment, and your insurance. Once you input all that information, Tesla will contact you and will send you via email some car agreements, and all you need to do is just sign it and they'll accept it. Step number 9, you can delay your order, but you can only delay it for a certain amount of time. You should talk to Tesla directly, but if you take longer than to accept your delivery, your VIN number will be assigned to someone else, and you'll just lose out on your car completely. Once you take delivery, Tesla will be sending you some documentation that will take about 2 to 3 weeks. This packet will consist of a registration, a certificate of origin of your vehicle, and the motor vehicle bill of sale. Once this arrives, you need to go to your local DMV and go pick up your license plates. Step 10 only applies if you live in the states that have a direct sales ban with Tesla. If you live in a state with a Tesla direct sales ban, you need to worry about the sales tax. Make sure you have enough money saved up aside from the purchase price, because you will need to use that money after taking delivery. How do you calculate that? In order to calculate how much sales tax you'll need to save up for, all you need to do is go on Google and search your state and just put sales tax. It should be the first result as a percentage. Once you multiply the final purchase price and the sales tax percentage, that's the amount that you'll have to pay at registration. We finally reached the end of this video. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you for sticking around. I hope I answered all of your guys' questions. If I didn't, just drop a comment and I'll get back to you. And I hope you have a great journey with your new Tesla if you're planning on purchasing one. Catch you guys later.